Let's go into Scrivener. So what we're going to do is we're going to do something with chapter 7. I've already done other chapters in this one here. So the first thing to do is to tap on this at the bottom of the screen, the 1, 2, 3, 4th icon along in the bottom left hand corner, and we make a new folder. We don't put anything in the title, and then we go to this synopsis and we put chapter 7 in here, because that's the chapter we're working on. Click on add. Now it's in the wrong place at the moment, so we're going to move it up above where it says 7 friend no more. So we're going to go to the edit button at the top of this section to the left, and we're going to use these here to move that up above that there. And while we're in this section here, we can select 7 friend no more, and we can go to this bottom left hand corner icon and we can indent it by 1 to put it into chapter 7. Okay, so let's click on done. That part is done. Let's press and hold on that one there, and we want to take this here, so let's do a selection of this here. I'm going to select all of that, so I'm going to cut it. I'm going to put it into the synopsis area and paste it in, and I can get rid of the number 7 because I'm already put it inside the chapter 7, so it doesn't need to be there, and I can click on done. Okay, so the next thing to do to finish the job off is to go into friend no more, tap on that one there, go to the top of this one here, and I'm going to press on enter once, put the cursor in the right place, and then I'm going to paste in the stuff we cut from the other place, and we can get rid of friend no more, and then we want to change that into a header 2. So let's do the brush at the top there, go to styles, change that to header 2, and that is as much as you need to do. If you're worried about how it looks in this one here, we can go into this again, and we can change the spacing. For instance, we can do spacing afterwards, so we've got some spacing after the header 2s, and we'll change that so that it is 10 point, and we can go back to style again, and we can have it centered if we want to, and then click on done. So that is as much as you need to do. After that, go into the next chapter, which is number 8, and create your next folder.